Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Calendar for AI meeting automation tasks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser. Type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the Google Calendar page loads, locate the sign in button in the upper right corner and click on it. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click next. If prompted, enter your password and click next again. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the instructions to verify your identity. After successfully signing in, you will be redirected to your Google Calendar interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the month view, agenda view, and day view. To set up AI meeting automation, click the plus icon to create a new event. Fill in the event details such as title, date, and time. If applicable, add guests by entering their email addresses in the provided field. For AI meeting automation tasks, look for options to integrate or link external automation tools. Explore the More Options section to customize settings, such as reminders and availability. Once all details are filled out, click Save to finalize your event. To access ongoing automation tasks, navigate back to your calendar view. Check event notifications and any linked automation tools for updates and insights. Feel free to adjust or edit event details as needed for maximum efficiency. You are now logged into Google Calendar and ready to use it for AI meeting automation tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.